A gymnastic team consisting of senior citizens with an average age of 70 is training regularly in Shigu Park in North China's Tianjin municipality. The team, founded over 10 years ago, has grown from a dozen members to more than 200.
锻炼不掉队，本人不受罪，快乐奔百岁。冬练3九，夏练3伏，一个个啊，别看瘦，浑身都是腱子肉。
In recent years, Tianjin is increasing venues and facilities to promote public fitness activities, and helping people participate in the activities in a scientific manner.
人要健身，天天想健身，但是关键科学健身。你看我们这个单杠、双杠都是国标的。
As the team keeps expanding, the municipal government has also assigned sports instructors to guide their training.